Come test drive this 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. A 4.8-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The following features are included: delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, and more. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.